When it comes to enhancing the value and appeal of your home in Fort Lauderdale, the little details often make a big difference. One of the most overlooked yet impactful features of a home is its interior doors. While doors may not receive the same attention as kitchen remodels or bathroom renovations, they play a crucial role in the overall aesthetic and functionality of your home. By investing in quality interior doors, you can significantly boost your home's value, style, and even energy efficiency. Elevate the aesthetic appeal. First impressions matter, and your interior doors are often one of the first things visitors notice when entering a room. High-quality doors made from solid wood, stylish glass, or other premium materials can transform the look of your interior spaces. Fort Lauderdale homeowners who opt for doors that complement their home's design, whether it's coastal, contemporary, or classic, create a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. For example, if you live in a coastal-inspired home, doors with a weathered or distressed finish can evoke a beachy, laid-back vibe. If you prefer a more modern look, sleek, minimalistic doors with clean lines and glass panels can add a sophisticated, contemporary feel. When you carefully select doors that align with your home's overall style, you not only enhance its aesthetic appeal but also create a sense of continuity throughout your living spaces. Increase privacy and soundproofing. Interior doors don't just serve a decorative function. They are essential for providing privacy and controlling noise levels within the home. In a city like Fort Lauderdale, where open-plan living is common, privacy can sometimes be an issue. High-quality interior doors made from solid wood or other soundproofing materials can significantly reduce noise between rooms, ensuring that each area of your home remains quiet and comfortable. Additionally, adding doors to rooms like home offices or bedrooms can increase privacy, which is especially important for families or those who work from home. A door that provides both visual and sound isolation can make your home a sanctuary from the busy world outside. Boost energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a growing concern for homeowners in Fort Lauderdale, and interior doors can contribute to improving your home's overall energy performance. A quality door, especially one with proper sealing and insulation, can help maintain the desired temperature inside your home by preventing drafts. This is particularly important in a tropical climate like Fort Lauderdale, where air conditioning is used year-round. Energy-efficient doors can reduce the strain on your HVAC system, ultimately lowering your energy bills and helping you create a more sustainable living environment. When considering which doors to invest in, look for products that offer superior insulation properties or those with built-in weather stripping, which can prevent air from escaping or entering your rooms. Create a lasting impression with customization. One of the unique benefits of upgrading your interior doors is the ability to customize them to match your specific tastes. Whether you prefer the elegance of raised panel doors, the sleekness of glass inserts, or the charm of French doors, customization allows you to tailor the doors to fit your vision for your home. Working with a local Fort Lauderdale supplier or contractor who offers a variety of design options can help you find the perfect doors for each room. Custom finishes, hardware, and colors can also add a touch of personalization, giving your home a unique and upscale look that stands out from others in the neighborhood. Long-term value and durability. While replacing interior doors might seem like a minor upgrade, investing in high-quality materials and professional installation ensures that your doors will stand the test of time. Unlike cheaper, lower-quality doors that may warp, crack, or lose their finish over time, solid wood or metal doors are much more durable and can maintain their beauty for many years. A well-constructed interior door is also less likely to need frequent repairs or replacement, saving you money in the long run. Furthermore, quality doors can appeal to potential buyers if you plan to sell your home in the future. Buyers are often drawn to homes with thoughtful details and high-quality finishes, and interior doors can be a simple yet effective selling point. Consider local climate conditions. Fort Lauderdale's humid, salty air can be tough on many materials. When choosing interior doors, be mindful of the local climate and opt for materials that can withstand these conditions. Doors made from materials like fiberglass, steel, or high-quality composite wood are ideal because they resist warping, swelling, and moisture damage, ensuring they remain in top condition for years to come. Final thoughts. Upgrading your interior doors is a simple yet impactful way to elevate your home's value, style, and functionality. Whether you are looking to make a statement with a custom design, increase your home's privacy and energy efficiency, or simply refresh the overall look, quality doors can enhance your home in Fort Lauderdale and create a lasting impression. By choosing the right doors and investing in craftsmanship, you'll not only enjoy the benefits today but also see a significant return on investment down the road.